with the bulk series. So we're headed on to palette number 3. Palette number 3. Okay, so we're jumping into palette number 3. So palette number 3, well, in my opinion, is the Dark Magic palette, and this is what it looks like right here. So I've already explained the Wont collection in my first video, and I have a second video, and I do have a playlist, so definitely click that I at the top. I don't know which side it will be on, but hopefully it's on this side. So click that I button and check out those first 2 videos. I am doing a giveaway as well, so definitely watch the first video to know the details for the giveaway. I will be giving away the whole Wont collection. 2 palettes will be going to one winner, 2 palettes will be going to another winner. Also, I'm going to have other products in the giveaway as well, so definitely stay tuned for the full giveaway details. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my social media handle right here so you don't miss out on the actual giveaway launch. I was thinking about doing post notification shoutouts at the end of my video, so definitely subscribe to my channel and in the comments hit done so I know that you subscribed and you did it, and you could be potentially shouted out at the end of the video. We're not going to do this video because this is the start of the video, but the next video I'll start doing the post notification shoutouts. Also, we are almost at 500 B.O.M Squad members. So if you are not yet subscribed, I think we're 3 away, but I don't know, by the time I upload this video I'll probably have hit 500. But if we're not, we are 3 B.O.M Squad members away from hitting 500, not 500k, just 500. We're a small community, but don't come for us because we will come for you. So this is what the Dark Magic palette looks like. Very dark blues, green colors. They're showing more vibrant on camera. Hopefully this palette works better than the Bling Boss palette, so we're gonna pray about it. But I haven't really heard any bad things about the Dark Magic palette, so we're just gonna hop right onto it. We're gonna start with swatches. Y'all know how I start every video. Okay, so these are the shimmer shades. These are so freaking pretty, and they're buttery and creamy, just like all the rest of the shimmer shades. So these are the matte shades right here. So this is the green, the blue, and the black. Okay, so my eyes are primed and ready to go. So the first color that I'm gonna go in with is, I'm gonna take Potion. So I'm going to use my Potion as a transition color, and I'm going to take this on the NYX Professional Makeup Brush, Dirty. This color is a little darker than what I expected it to be, because in the palette, it's a mossy green, but it almost looks like a dark forest green on my eyes. I don't know if it's because of my skin tone, but it almost looks like it has like some blue undertones. What I do appreciate is that it's not patchy. So it's blending out very well. So the next color I'm going in with is Busted, and we're going to take this on the same brush, and I'm just going to work that into the crease. This is a pretty blue color, and it's not like your regular blue. It has like green undertones, and we're almost going to do like a halo eye. So the next color I'm going to go in with is Inside Job, and it's just this dark green, and we're going to deepen up the crease in the inner and outer corner of the eye. Like, it's dark and the pigment is all the way there. Like, you see, this palette so far is like the colors are blending out so nicely. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is Temptress, the black. And we're just going to keep this on the inners and outer corner because this is a halo eye. I'm taking the exact same brush. I know I didn't mention it before, but the brush that I'm using is just a small precision blending brush. The bristles are super, they're not loose, but they're not super stiff. But this is a good brush for blending and detail work. Whoa! That black is something else, honey. Okay, so I've carved out my lid, as you can see. Now I'm gonna take the shade Power Cut, and we're gonna use that all over the lid. So I'm gonna take this brush by Wet n Wild. This is their smudger brush, but I'm gonna use this as a packer brush. This color is stunning. So I'm gonna go back in with Inside Job. That was that green shade. And we're gonna lightly tap just to blend these colors together. Now I kind of want to go back into Busted, that blue shade, and add that in as well. And I'm going to go back in to Power Cut. Now I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus. So now we're going to move on to the face. So we're going to give this foundation another shot. Give the eyes a little bit of a break. We're going to shake this up. I'm going to moisturize my face real quick so that it's not so dry. So I'm going to take my Skindinavia primer spray. Spray that all over the face. And then I'm going to take my Olay hydrating cream. And this is all I'm going to do for today because y'all know I'm not going nowhere. So, no need to waste product. So we're going to take this foundation. I'm in the shade Cappuccino. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade On. And we're just going to conceal, don't feel. Know what you're doing, whose feelings that you hurting and bruising. You gonna take the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you lose? Yeah, for me. Okay, so for contour, I'm trying out this new method. So I'm going in with regular foundation that's darker than my skin tone. And this is the CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony, or True Ebony. Hopefully this isn't too dark. I'm just taking a little bit like that. So I already set my face. I just went in with my regular Laura Mercier medium deep powder. So now we are going to powder contour, and I'm using the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and this is in medium dark. This is what it looks like. We're taking the contour shade. gonna go back to the eyes. We're gonna work on the under eye part. It's really not gonna be anything new. I'm going to put some black eyeliner on, and then I'm going to use these 4 colors. Okay, so I have the under eyes done. So now we're gonna move on to blush. So for blush, I typically go in with the same palette. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. We're gonna see how this looks. We're not gonna go in with that. So I still want this look to be dark, so I'm going in with this contour blush. Y'all know I use this faithfully. So, and this blush is by Lamik, and it's the contour blush. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of the face off camera. I'm gonna apply my lip, my lashes, and my highlight off camera, and I'll come back with the final review. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. So for highlighter, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped, and I took the shades Tourmaline and Moonstone, these 2 at the bottom, and I used that for my highlight. And then for lips, I went in with the Burst Cosmetics Black Lip. Now this is the Holy Grail Black Matte Lipstick from Burst Cosmetics. It's called Seance. This matte black is the bomb. The effing bomb. And then I put on some lashes as well. Y'all know my holy grail. I get them from AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then for contacts, I just went in with the gray contacts from Ouplent Lenses. So let's get on to the review. Let's get on to this review about the foundation. So it's not as drying as the first time I used it. So it feels much, I keep going like this because it's not dry. It feels much better than before, I will say. So definitely go out and purchase this NYX foundation. For my thoughts for the Dark Magic palette, this probably is the best palette that she has. I haven't tried the last palette, but so far, this is my favorite palette. My absolute favorite palette. The colors are super vibrant. It's different. They're vibrant. Like, I know this isn't for like everyday makeup wear, but this palette is fucking bomb. I'm sorry to cuss, but that's how bomb it is. Like, you see the pigmentation, it's blend, like they blend out so seamlessly. It's unfreaking real. Best palette so far. Definitely go out and get that. Don't forget, if you get it on the Morphe website, you can use a discount code. I'm not sure if you can use the discount code in Ulta because they are selling these in Ulta as well, but you can try it. You can try it. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Don't forget that we are doing the post notification shoutouts in the next video. So subscribe to my channel and click done at the bottom so I know that you subscribed, and I will shout you out in my next video. Don't forget to hit that bell icon notification so you can get notified every time I upload. Don't hesitate to join the B.O.M B Squad. Like, we are unreal, litty committee. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.